Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to check the updated version of the Foxeer Predator Micro FPV camera, the Foxeer Predator Micro V2. Just by looking at these cameras you won't be able to tell the difference. They both use a 1.8mm lens, their dimensions is identical, and they both feature a 1000 TV line CMOS sensor. So what has been changed on the V2 version? According to Foxeer, now the image should be sharper and clearer. In addition, they adjusted the colors and now the sky should look more natural. They updated the day and night mode, and finally the voltage read should be more accurate. As far as I know, this is just a firmware update, and I think that eventually we're going to see TX and RX ports on FPV cameras that will enable us to update their firmware, just like we update our flight controllers and ESCs. The next thing I'm going to do is to head outdoors and compare the Predator Micro V1 with the V2, along with the Predator Mini and with the Runcam Micro Sparrow 2. After the side-by-side comparison video, I've included some flight footage. I just finished building this quadcopter using the Real 6 frame, and I also used the Foxeer Predator Micro V2 camera, so I hope you will enjoy the rest of this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to ask it in the comment section down below. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up if you like this video, and consider subscribing to my channel and hitting the notification bell if you're not already subscribed. See you in my next videos, and goodbye.